Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me installing this bomb unit from True Glory Hair. So if you guys want to see, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I purchased this unit from True Glory. It is their 13x6 Brazilian body wave. It is in 24 inches and it is 150% density. And it's freshly washed right here. So I did my ball cap method off camera. And I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol just to clean off my hairline and my forehead to make sure we don't have any kind of oils before we get ready to install our unit. Now this unit did come pre-plucked. I did pluck it a little bit more for my liking. Very minimum tangling, very minimum shedding. I love how natural this body wave is. And this is my first time working with True Glory, and I will say so far, so good. Now, I usually cut my ear tabs off after I have adhesed my lace down, but I'm going to try a new method today. I'm just going to cut it off before I actually adhese the unit down. The ear tabs can always be so tricky when it comes down to applying your units. You can either cut it too short, and once you cut it too short, it can be hard to kind of make that wig fit how you want it to. And now I'm just going to cut the other side. Looks like we're good to go. And I always cut my lace around my hairline when I have already adhesed it down as well too. But I'm going to try again another technique, and I'm going to go in with my shears and an eyebrow razor to cut it off my head. And as you guys can see, I am cutting as close to the hairline as I can. And this eyebrow razor was so dull, but it's okay. We're going to make it work. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And I love the way that the razors give that jagged look versus that blunt straight line that your shears give. So that jagged looks a little bit more natural once you lay your lace. And as you guys can see, that razor did not want me to be great, but it's okay. Finally. And I'm cutting the back lace with my shears. This construction of the inside of the cap, it had 3 cones, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps, but I got rid of those cones because they can be a little bit aggravating. Once you've cut your lace, you want to apply your unit to make sure you want to clean everything up and it looks good before you get ready to adhese it down. I did bleach the knots on this frontal unit, and they bleached very nicely. And now I'm just going in right now and I'm just cleaning it up, and I'm getting this piece of lace right here. I'm just going to go in jagged motions, well, zigzag motions. Alright, so now I'm just going to slide my unit back. And the other baby of the show is Ericka J's Hold Me Down adhesive. This is my second time using this adhesive, and I must say I absolutely love it. Between hers and Bold Hold, these are definitely my faves. So what I'm doing is I'm just going in dotting motions. You want to make sure that you apply a very thin layer. This glue, it dries very quickly. It does not have any toxic smells to it, and it lasts a long time. And I will be going in with 2 layers. The first time I used it, I went in with 1 layer and it lasts. And I'm just taking the rat tail of my comb and I'm just going to smooth it out. I'm so proud of Ericka with her product line. She did the research, and when I tell you this glue delivers, it delivers. You gotta leave me some comments down below to let me know what some of your favorite adhesives are when it comes down to laying your frontals and your wigs. We're just gonna let it dry. Now, as you guys see, it dried. Now we're on to layer number 2. And I'm just going to do the same thing. And now we're going to smooth it on out. Now this go around, I was a little bit impatient because it was late when I installed this unit. So I will be going in with my blow dryer. And I'm blow drying it on warm setting. So it looks like we're dry. So now I'm just going to line my lace up where I applied my adhesive. And you want to lightly press it in. Once I have my placement exactly where I want it to be, I take my comb and I press down and comb back. So right here, press down, comb back, press down, comb back. And when it comes down to laying your units, take your time, take your time. Take your time. And it's okay if everything doesn't get glued down the first time. You can always go back and fix it, which I'm getting ready to do. We're going to fix that. And I'm going in with very, very small amount, very thin layer. And I'm going to smooth it out with the rat tail of my comb. Smoothing it out, very thin layer. Now I'm taking my elastic band and I'm just going to tie this down. And I'm going to go in back again with my blow dryer, and I'm going to do it on the warm setting because I want this lace to melt into my skin. And I'm just pressing it in. I'll do this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, so here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.